In this process, effects of feeling controlled, taken advantage. Instead, I will connect you into the feeling of appreciation. This will uplift your frequency, which will support your manifestation efforts, connecting you to what you want in life. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Going to bring up quickly for everybody. I was going to say something amazing that to give everybody an immediate amazing shift. Now, I'd like everybody to be their own researcher at this point so they can evaluate this for themselves. Now, something women have been indoctrinated, and men too, everybody, into caring. Now, as soon as we go into caring, we get taken advantage of. So I'm going to give you an even more empowering state to go in. It's the person who cares that becomes the doormat. It's the person who cares that somebody's going to be cruel to because they love hurting people. True enough, some people love being kind. Some people simply enjoy watching someone feel upset. Now, if everyone can feel how they feel when they go into caring. So everyone go into caring. I want you to experience this state so you can understand what I'm saying and feel the difference. So I want to strengthen everybody to this state. Delete the effect of, oh, not again. Delete the anchor effect. Delete the effect of being dragged down, pulled down, feeling obligated, feeling controlled, feeling like they have to make everybody happy, feeling that caring, now the family's got me. So delete the effect of the anchor. Delete the boring, the sadness, my life is over effect. I want to strengthen you. Delete the need to keep that pattern. I'm going to upgrade you to a better one. You will get to feel it immediately. Delete getting angry, being used, and then delete having to sink down. I have to do what I'm told. I have to be caring. I have to be the good girl. I have no life. Everybody has to take it. I have to give it away. Delete all of that information, delete all of those anchors, delete the effect of holding that pattern in, and delete any agreement to hold that pattern in, and delete allowing anyone to be in authority to enforce that pattern. Okay, so if everybody steps aside, now caring, actually, see what it does, and yet we're told we have to care. But try this one. Go into appreciating. Go into feeling appreciation. Now, appreciation aligns you with being elegant. Appreciation uplifts your frequency. It stops you being controlled by others. It allows you to feel kind for yourself. It also gives you clarity. So when you're in appreciation and someone tries to take advantage of you, you simply go into, wow, okay, I appreciate you saying that, but let me get back to you. So I want to strengthen everybody to appreciating their family, their friends, their loved ones. Delete the misinterpretation, caring is effective, collapse it to zero. Strengthen them to a higher frequency, a higher shift, and also a potent alchemy response, which actually clears upset. If someone told you a problem and you didn't try to fix it, you simply went into appreciation, that actually assists the problem to resolve without you being depleted, without you being hooked in, and without you being dragged down and upset by another issue. So appreciation is that magical alchemy to replace caring with. I know it's an extraordinary thing, but caring has just got us walked over. So I want to strengthen everybody to reset, rebalance with appreciation, and to let that vibrate through every cell, every quantum particle, the micro-macro effect, and every organ, every structure in the body. And to strengthen everyone to appreciate themselves, listen to themselves, hear themselves, and to listen to what is important to themselves so they can pause, stop, to create a picture and feelings to manifest what is important. And strengthen and balance and reset everybody to integrate those changes with effortless ease. Is that not extraordinary? Something so simple can have such a profound effect on the quality of life.